What's interesting is that the peak power demand in Germany is about 80 gigawatt. And you see that, okay, if you add here the hydro and biomass at the bottom, you see that the installed capacity is power capacity now is getting damn close to the peak power demand. So in the past, Germany had a 20% reserve margin. So where you had enough dispatchable power capacity in the system, about 20% of your peak power. Now we have reduced that where we're getting damn close to that peak power demand. And that is why Germany is in the trouble it is in. That is why Germany had trouble last winter, where suddenly, someone turns a little bit of gas off and the whole world falls apart. So the reason is when your energy system, and what always counts is the reliable dispatchable power capacity versus your peak power demand. That's all that counts. Wind and solar counts nothing at night and in the winter when there's no wind. Think about it, right? So it doesn't matter how much you put up here. In the winter at night, no wind, you cannot rely on it. That means you can only compare your dispatchable with the peak power. We'll talk about that a little bit later as well, but you get a sense of that is a reason why Germany, and not only Germany, but also Europe in general, has an issue. And by the way, McKinsey recently did say that if Germany does not construct 30 gigawatt of thermal gas capacity in the next 7 or 8 years, we will have blackouts. So they would have to put, you see how much 30 gigawatt is compared to this. It's a big number. Has to be because of a very, very short period of time. Being German, knowing that the Berlin airport took 25 years to build, I can tell you it's not going to happen. Okay. So, all right, let's take a step further. Now, this is Germany's industrial power prices. You see how, we used to be at the beginning, reasonably affordable and competitive, and industrial power prices went up like crazy. They've been reducing a little bit further in 2023, but this compares to China with $8 actually consumer price, not even industrial price. So you can see for industries, for heavy industries, energy intensive industries, they have no choice but to go away, to move out, right? Nobody can afford those high prices for a long period of time. For some time you can manage, but given the energy insecurity and the continuous cost increases resulting in price increases for power and energy in general, means that heavy industry are very reluctant to invest in a country like Germany for the long term.